Hello everyone, this is Menghann. Today video I would like to show you how to type like this in Excel with laptop or desktop. Okay, right now let me try on desktop. This one is very simple, just type N and small o, and then you can just select this one and go to font setting right here and select superscript. Okay, and boom, you got it. What about this one? This one is a little bit different, right? Different. So you need to press Alt from the left hand side. Okay, Alt 167, and then you got it. Again, just delete it. Alt 167, and then you got it. Okay, very simple. But how you do it in laptop? You don't have numlock. Okay, right now I'm on my Windows 11. So on laptop usually we don't have numlock keyboard, so it's difficult to get it. So we use on-screen keyboard right here. So just type on and on-screen keyboard right here, like this. And if you don't see the numlock right here, just go to option and then turn on numeric keypad, and then it's okay. So let me prepare this, so like this. So just type N and then press Alt and hold up on keyboard on your real laptop, and then press 1, 6, 7, and then you got it. Again, press Alt and up and function key on your laptop, and then you press 1, 6, 7, and then you got it. Okay, so you got something like this. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. See you next time.